That's in elementary. Just hopping on to make a quick video about how to use Autocrat. If you've ever used mail merge in the days of Excel sheets, it works very similar, but it works with Google Sheets, which is nice because mail merge does not. So all you need is any spreadsheet that has information. This is an example of one that we use at our campus, obviously made up students and emails and grades. But if you have anything like this, you can use this multiple ways. One way we've used it is making data cards for students. So if you want to give them all of their scores at one time to have conferences with them, it's great for report card conferences as well. You can have a page made up for each student so that you're sharing the information with the parent easily. It can be used for award certificates. It also can be used to email parents. So let's say it's the end of the quarter and you're wanting to send a parent an email of all of their unit assessment grades. All you would have to do is once you have your spreadsheet completed, you're going to click on to create a template. So just in Google Docs, or it can be Google Slides as well. You go in, make the template. So these right here are called tags. All you have to do is type that little character, and then you're going to put the title of your column. So whatever column you have that you want to show up on the template, that's on your spreadsheet, you'll put there. So I want the parent's name there. So on this first one, I'd put Ashley, and then later where it says student, it's going to put Bob, and then it's going to put all of Bob's grades right here. So then it looks like a personalized email, but in half the time. So once you have your template made, you come back to your spreadsheet, click in any open cell, go to extensions, Autocrat. If you don't have it, it'll have a thing saying to install here instead. Just install it and click open. It takes a second to open usually, but once you've done it, you can save all of these. This is kind of like a shortcut template. You can save them here. So once you've made it, you just hit run and it would run it again. So if you're wanting to do this again, like maybe we have our first unit assessment, I send this email out, then our second unit assessment, I'm just going to hit run job and it's going to send it automatically again. So I said you make the template one time and you can use it as many times as you want. But I'm going to walk through to show you how to make one. So you'd click new job and just put example template. Next, then you're going to pick your template from your drive. So if you haven't already used it, you'll find it in your drive. If you've already used it, it'll be right here. You click use. And then next. Okay, so it's going to find all the tags from your template and automatically map them to a part of the spreadsheet. So you just want to check to make sure that where the tag is, it matches what you're wanting, what column of data you want it to match to. If for some reason you didn't have a space somewhere, it's not going to pick up on it. So you would just have to click it and then find the right one. So if you had a space in between your letters or numbers and your tag, it has to be the same as the spreadsheet or else it won't recognize it. But like I said, no big deal. You just select it from there. Click next, file name. Again, you can use those tags. So for this, if I want to name the file after the student, I would say student UA data, and that's what it's going to name it as as a Google Doc or a PDF. You get to pick. So if you're going to go in and change them, you'd want to make it a Google Doc. But for this, I'm good with a PDF because I won't be making changes to them. There's multiple output mode and single output mode. Single output mode is going to make that template for every single student and parent, but it's going to put it all in one PDF or one Google Doc. So if you're using it for your own reference, you can use that. But if you're emailing it to parents, you want to make sure you click multiple output. So this one is going to make an individual page with an individual link for each one of these and send separate emails. And you click next. You can pick where you want it to go in your drive. I'm just going to click next to hurry. You don't need to do anything for the dynamic folder or the merge condition. So next. Here is where if you're emailing it or you want to share it with a co-teacher, you can do that. If you click yes, it's going to pop this up. You pick what you want it to share as, all the different options. And then here where it says to, all you have to do is type email because that's what I named that column on my spreadsheet. And you can put your subject, and you can say student, and then UA grades. And then you'd click Next, I'm not going to click next for this because these are made up emails, obviously. So I'm going to go back and say no, and then it's all the same from there, okay? Run form trigger, run on time, and then save. Oops, I didn't pick a folder. Okay, so I'm going to go there, select, next, and save. So once you have it saved, it said it'll be there anytime. So it's just this one time of setting it up, and then you can use it forevermore. And when you're ready to run it, you just click Run Job. And then you'll see over here some stuff start to pop up. So it'll say when it started, when it finished. It'll give you a link to it right here in a second. Takes just a second. So if you have one that has a lot of information on it, it might take a couple minutes to run. So you just let it run out. Then once you see a link here, you can see the name of it. See how it has the student's name, unit assessment. If you click on the link, it'll show you what was emailed to the parent, or it'll show you your document if you just saved it. So it says parent name, Bob. Here's all Bob's grades. And that's it. Pretty simple. So I hope this can help you.